you don't test your relationship, you will find out after 5 years or motho wa hao or ngwana hao wa so hao or motho hao na le busy le mamang after 5 years. So please, if you can, test your relationship. My brother,
Ngihamba budi.
ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila la.
Ngiyaphila. Igama bani?
Siya.
Siya. Uthandana no bani Siya?
Thandana no Angel.
Okay. How long have you guys been together?
Approximately we've been together for 3 years now.
Okay. And how's the relationship going?
Eish. Mfethu uhlangane nje understand lo muntu ngoba uqala umbona nje kuumuntu nje bewumuntu othandana nami kahle. Kodwa kulezi insuku nje ngake ngathi kubhayisisike emsebenzini awukhanya ngathi umuntu nje ongasahleli ndawonye nje. Noma ukuthi ngiyophanda nje umuntu okhona ngendlela sekagqoka ngayo sometimes mayephuma sokusikhathi se-girls night kuphela. Isikhathi semaseko mwana.
Okay. We're gonna call her and check ukuthi loyal. When last did you see her?
Benginaye emva kwayizolo.
Okay.
Yeah, ngoba
Call for my number wakhe.
okay.
Do you guys have a baby together?
Asinayo ingane.
Okay.
Into nje besicabanga ukuthi sibe nengane kodwa senginamathi ukuthi njengomjida ngendlela sekayenza ngayo.